So hi guys, welcome to my workshop. Today with a very special project, I will make my own wood wax. And I know there are a lot of videos out there, but all of them are like, oh, I just purchased some bee wax on Amazon and now we mix it with some oil and now I have my own wood wax. And that's not how I roll. So let's go. I went to a local beekeeper. So from time to time they put out some of the drone combs of the beehive to reduce the amount of the varroa mite. And usually they just throw them away because it's not worth it to extract the wax due to the soiling and also the small amount of wax. So I got those for free and I will try it. And here you can see I have to separate the wax from a lot of drone garrets. And yeah, those I will feed to my chicken and probably to my ducks as well. And then everything has its use, which is pretty nice. Well, and this one looks pretty good, but as you can see, this one is infected by the wax moth, so he had to throw it out as well. Okay, it's the next day, so let's just take a look. Oh. That looks not bad. Okay, that's it for this part. In the next part, we try to feed this to my chicken and ducks. And then we take out that one and make our own wood wax. Pretty nice. Oh, look at there, there's some honey. Yeah, tasty.